we should know the Gauss law equation. Rho v is equal to del dot d. Rho v is equal to del dot d, where d is electric flux density, and we know d is equal to epsilon E. Now rho v is equal to del dot epsilon E. Also E is equal to minus of gradient of V, means minus of del V. It is equal to minus of del V. Now this equation becomes del square V is equal to minus rho V upon epsilon. Okay, and this equation is known as Poisson's equation. If rho V is equal to 0, then del square V is equal to 0, and this equation is known as Laplace equation. Equation is known as Laplace equation. Now we will derive Poisson's and Laplace equations in all three coordinate systems. First of all, I will take rectangular coordinate system. Rectangular coordinate system. It is also known as Cartesian coordinate system. We know del square V is equal to del dot del here minus del dot del V. Okay, so it is nothing but divergence of gradient. So first of all, we should know what is del in Cartesian coordinate system. So del in Cartesian coordinate system is ax cap del upon del x plus ay cap del upon del y plus az cap del upon del z. Now what is the value of del v? Gradient of v, ax del v upon del x plus ay del v upon del y plus az del v upon del z. Now here v is equal to function of x, y, z. Now del dot del v, suppose it is a vector, so this is a vector and it will equal to divergence of a, and we know divergence formula in the Cartesian coordinate system, del ax upon del x plus del ay upon del y plus del az upon del z. If this is a vector, then it becomes ax, it becomes ay, and it becomes az. So del dot del v is equal to del upon del x, del v upon del x plus del upon del y, del v upon del y plus del upon del z, del v upon del z, and it is equal to del square v. Del square v is equal to minus rho v upon epsilon, and it may be written as, and this equation is known as Poisson's equation. This equation is known as Poisson's equation. If rho v is equal to 0, then it becomes 0 is equal to del square v upon del x square plus del square v upon del y square plus del square v upon del z square. And this equation is known as Laplace equation. Laplace equation.